Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a really nice 2009 Harley Davidson V-Rod Muscle. This bike is beautiful. Been upgraded with a nice 2-in-1 header exhaust here. It's a liquid cooled 1250cc V-twin with a 5-speed. Comes with forward mount foot controls, got upgraded pegs and pedals. Matching hand grips and matching mirrors. They've added a little badging on it, the Harley Davidson Porsche. That engine was designed by Porsche. Inverted forks, nice mag spoke rims, dual front disc brakes, the shroud and radiator, all that looks really nice. Got this cowl induction look up here. Beautiful machine. These things are scat too. It's had upgraded shocks on the back, progressive shocks. It's a belt drive bike. Had this luggage rack added. Looks pretty slick. The Muscle's got the integrated tail lights there in the fender. Good tire on the rear. Noticed a little nick right here. That's a tiny little spot right there too. That's the only nick I've seen. Beautiful metallic red paint. Front fender looks nice. I noticed the turn signals, they've mounted these LEDs up here for the turn signals and the running lights. They're pretty bright. Let's see. And they put some engine lights under here. Pretty nice install. This is a battery tender lead right here. Those engine lights are over on the other side as well. Fire it off and let you give it a listen. This bike's got 10,982 miles. Nice, runs nice and quiet, no kind of rattling or noise in there. Got a nice deep sound to it through that header. Revs real quick. She'll scat, they're fun to ride too. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This bike went through our shop and was checked out. She's ready to ride. Got a lot of good finance options and extended warranty options on it. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world. Check us out online at cleanharleys.com. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.